Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video, I'm just taking you through my makeup brush cleaning routine. It is very not glamorous to clean your makeup brushes, and I have a lot, but I'm just going to take you through my one time a month deep cleaning of all of my brushes. I am cleaning both my personal brushes and the brushes that I use in my makeup artist kit from my part-time makeup artist job. I wouldn't even say part-time, I just kind of do it here and there for friends and family and people who are referred to me. But I'm going to show you how I deep clean all of my brushes, some tips and tricks on how to sanitize your brushes and how to make them last longer. So if you want to see how I clean my makeup brushes, then just keep watching.
The first thing that I do is I get a small bowl and I put some Blue Dawn dish soap in it. Blue Dawn is my favorite, and I'm going to soak my sponges. So it's really important to use the hottest water as possible here. We want to get all the junk out of the sponges. You want to squeeze them so that they absorb the hot water mixed with the Blue Dawn. Some people like to use a special beauty blender soap here. I feel like the Blue Dawn is just as effective. You can even just get like the Great Value Walmart brand, which is what I have, and just let those soak in that hot water with the soap and squish them around, getting all of that in there. The water's going to look super gunky, but this will get all of that makeup out of those sponges. Next, I am going to roll up a towel on the counter, and I'm going to use that to set my brushes on. I'm going to take that same soap in a little bowl here, a little tiny bowl, and I'm going to take the dirty brush and I'm going to get it a little bit wet under the running water and then put some soap on it. And then I've got a silicone brush cleaning pad. This is really helpful for just getting all those bristles really nice and clean. I'm going to go in circular motions, clockwise and counterclockwise, and then back and forth. You can even do kind of brush strokes and just really make sure that you're getting into those brush fibers. You don't want to submerge your brush in water, so you always want to make sure you're holding the handles up the same way you would if you were using them. It just prolongs the life of your brushes. And as I said, you're just going to go through and counterclockwise, clockwise, going in circles, getting all that out. And then at the end, once the water is coming out clear, you're not seeing any more of the product, you can start squeezing that water out, and you want to shape the bristles in the shape of what the brush naturally is. So you can see how I've done that here. And then, of course, continue that same process with all of your brushes. I have a lot of brushes, so I'm not going to show you guys all of them, but I am going to kind of take you through a fast forward, doing the same exact process for all of these brushes, adding soap in when you need it. Like I said before, you can use a special brush cleaning soap. I find that the Blue Dawn is just as effective and very cost friendly. And here you can see I'm just laying my brushes with the bristle end down. So what I want is for the water to come down, not into the brush handle. As I said before, this just prolongs the life of your brushes. It'll make them last longer. It'll keep them more clean and keep those handles nice and firm. There's nothing worse than having a brush that you love and the handle falls off.
Thank you guys so much for watching today. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up to support my channel. It would mean oh so much to me. And as always, thank you guys so much. Have a great day. And until next time,